Hi guys, it's Charlie.D243 here, and today we have a microwave and some stuff. We're going to be putting this stuff in the microwave, and Ross is going to be making some tea with George. Cooking show included. Alright, so let's get into it.
Mate, I charge up my phone. I want to get a nice fast charger. Apparently microwaves are the best. So here's my new fast charger. Pop it in. Put it on the little rotate thing.
Put it up to high.
Put it on for about 15 minutes. Look at it, look at it. Well, I think overall it's not too bad. I mean, microwave's a bit burnt. Stinks.
But we think the phone has passed this test. So now Ross is going to go cook his lunch.
Today on the menu, Heinz.
Heinz baked beans.
Lovely delicacy. I love it for my lunch. We're going to see what happens in 2 minutes.
Ross has got his beans. Ross's beans! His lunch has been made.
I'll rate that 8 out of 8. 8 out of 8. Make sure the timer's done. I'll try a different medium high. We'll set a timer for 4 minutes.
Nothing happened. Screw this microwave! Right, so we are doing the microwave drop test. In 3, 2, 1. Damn. Right, so now it is time for Ross's review.
I think overall you can say that it wasn't very well built as the hinges have completely gone, but the control panel's also gone. But I think it won't survive the bottles for sure.
Right, so we are throwing all these bottles down to the ground onto the microwave. Yeah.
3, 2, 1. Go!
Right, so the phone is now on top of the microwave. Let's shove some more bottles down. 3, 2, 1. Squad beef.
Work.
Candle failed. Alright, so guys, I hope you liked. Please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one for more pointless videos. Can't.